zicht van de Oranje Nassau-mijn 1 in Heerlen heeft een verandering ondergaan met het gereedkomen van een nieuw betonnen schoorsteen die de hoogste is van Europa. Het gevaarte dat aan de voet een diameter heeft van meer dan 12 meter en aan de top van ruim 7 meter is 155 meter hoog. De nieuwe schoorsteen...
Sup. First of all, who are you? And secondly, why the fuck did you break my ceiling, dog? I already have enough problems with the door, and now I have to fix this. What the fuck is your problem? Anyways, look at this new device I made. Hey, what the hell is that? It's a new device that lets me switch appearance with another one. Wait, stop. Huh? What the? What happened? Huh? Oh. Nice, huh? What the fuck? How you like it? What? My job here is done. Hey, get back here. Any solutions? This pack adds the main crew from Nitro Trixium in human form. It also adds extra characters, such as Bob, Gorse, and Beryl. Also, since these are contraptions, you will have to download some other mods in order for them to work. They are all in a collection I made. If you encounter any problems, let me know.